everybody. Welcome to our triple threat series.
Oh, I like it.
Woo! Girls, are you ready?
Yes, we are.
Are you ready at home for this triple threat series? Yes, you are. Okay, today we're doing abs, we're doing quads, and we're doing hamstrings. So even the dogs are getting involved. Whatever you do, do not do what they do. It's not a lot. All right, girls, are you ready for this? Yeah. Okay, we're gonna start off our first exercise. You're gonna bring your weight and we're gonna take it into alternating side lunges. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take it across and twist from side to side. Okay, good girl, sit down and let's go across. Let's see if they stay with us. So this workout is going to really work your lower body and your abs. Okay, so all we've gotta do to get results is to follow along. It's that simple, right, girls?
It really is.
Yeah, all you gotta do is keep on moving your body. Now, if you do not know who these amazing girls are, you're gonna get to know them a little bit better. Yeah. Yes, you are today. Okay, give me 3, 2, 1. Okay, cool. That actually,
I feel that.
That's like a good little intro. Was not prepared. We've been filming a big challenge today, which we'll let you know about shortly. But we're gonna take it into some deadlifts next. So we're gonna stick that booty back, come halfway down, and then lift all the way up to the top. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Alfie.
Glutes, right?
Oh, everything. I'm squeezing my glutes if I'm going to the grocery store. Anything, I actually don't go to the grocery store. What am I talking about? But anytime I'm like, you know, someone's like, you want to grow your glutes? It's all about giving that extra squeeze. Yes. And Arena, you need to breathe more, because didn't you tell us that you didn't actually breathe through a certain exercise because it's challenging? Yes. Yeah, that's a yes. Okay, last one, we're gonna release down to the ground and we're gonna take it into some leg drops, okay? But alternating leg drops, we're gonna have a slight bend in the knee this time. So all you're gonna do is you're gonna take it down one side at a time. 3, 2, 1, go. And I have to be careful because Penny is like directly underneath where I'm supposed to be doing these leg drops. Okay, so inhale through the nose and exhale out. Remember, Arena, breathe. So you guys have probably seen a couple of videos with these girls. They are the Burn trainers on the app. So if you've not already got your membership for the Burn app, we highly suggest it because it's going to give you the workout plan to stay on track.
Definitely.
Woo, Megan, your favorite workouts to do. We're going to come all the way up to standing. Before you tell us your favorites, and we're going to go back into those alternating lunges. So we're going to, the first one was a practice one, wasn't it? First one is practice. Yeah. Okay, so let's start for this side. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, so Megan, tell us your favorite types of exercises to do.
I love targeting the glutes, so today's kind of appropriate. It's gotta be split squats, you know, and deep lunging.
Ugh, gross. Split squats, I think that's like, I do not like that. And that's why Megan does all of our cardio on the Burn app. Yes. Yeah. Me and Arena like to stay well away from that. Okay, let's keep it going. Breathe in through your nose, exhale out, give me one more, and release those weights down to the ground. Maybe just shake them out a little bit. We're gonna pick them back up again, but give your legs a shake, give your arms a shake. Oh, I don't even think I can feel my arms. No, don't do anything with your arms. Okay, grab those weights, let's take it into those deadlifts. 3, 2, 1, and go. So Arena, what did we film today?
We filmed amazing upper body challenge. Like, you're gonna love it. Your arms are gonna be not functioning.
I love that. Yes, you will love the upper body arms, but if you try and use your arms the next day, it won't work.
Don't expect those results.
Don't expect it. Okay, let's keep going all the way through. Push down into the ground, squeeze those glutes as you get to the top, and breathe for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, we're gonna take it down to the ground on those leg drops. Lying all the way down onto the ground, we're gonna take it into those single leg drops. So tuck those hips underneath. 3, 2, 1. Let's get going. Woo! How does it feel?
It's easy, but you can still feel it in your arms.
Yeah, you definitely can. I just want to relax my arms down on the ground. And if you're like, what is this challenge you're talking about? We gave you guys a glute challenge on the YouTube channel. And what we decided to do is we added an ab challenge and now an upper body challenge to the Burn app, okay? So upper body challenge is coming. You can get the ab challenge already and the glute challenge. Oh, and tell us, what challenge do you want to find next? Girls, what do you think we should do?
Oh my gosh, we got so much more in us.
I know. Not today, not today. Okay, second round. You guys can face each other. Keep yourself motivated, right? Always have a workout buddy. That's it. You're going to lie right there. And all we're going to do is we're going to bring the knees into the chest and extend. But we're not going to move the upper body. Ah, so this is different because where do you feel that more? In your quads. I feel this so much in my quads. So that's why I thought we're going to do the triple threat series. Abs, quads, and hamstrings for today. Okay, extend forward. Lift that chest up nice and high. Oh, okay, it's only 30 seconds. We got this.
We got this. We got this.
Girls.
Whew.
Yes.
No problem. Penny is hanging out with the girls. Alfie has left us. Typical. 3, 2, 1, and release. Okay, we're going to take it into fire hydrants this time. So, Alfie's favorite, because we did just see him actually do a fire hydrant. You saw that, right, Megan? We're going to take a fire hydrant, bring it back, and then a kick out on the diagonal. 3, 2, 1, go. Yeah, you can face me. I can just see you. Yeah, we're seeing you. We're seeing your boots. Yeah. Out to one side. We're going to stay on one side to begin with. So pull those belly buttons in towards your spine. Keep that leg lifted. And let's keep going. Woo, okay, that's it.
You got it in your arms, you got it in your abs.
Yeah, well, I think we're just feeling in our arms because our arms are dead. Like, as Irina said quite well, they won't be functioning tomorrow. Yes, my arms were clicking at the end.
Yeah.
Okay, release down. We're gonna hold here. We're gonna take it over to the other side. Take a nice downward facing dog if you would like to. Great, that was beautiful. Beautifully done, Penny. Okay, we're gonna take it over to the other side. In 3, 2, 1, let's go. So fire hydrant, diagonal kick. There we go. So I'm just gonna double check that I'm not gonna just tickle Megan with my toes. give her a little belly tickle. Okay, let's get in sync. Here we go. Out we go and extend forward. That's it. So keep those glutes engaged by thinking about the glute muscle lifting your knee up and extending it out instead of thinking about your foot bringing it up or your knee. It's all about the glutes because that's the exercise or the body part we want to work. Give me one more. And release. Okay, coming back over round 2. We're going to take it one more time. Remember, first time, it's like a warm-up. It's like a practice round. It's a practice round. We're just practicing. Okay, the whole thing is just a practice, right? All right, we're going to bring those knees in and out, working those quads in 3, 2, 1. So option number 2, you can bring your hands underneath your shoulders and extend your legs out. So all we're doing is moving those legs. So it's kind of hard to not move your body, the upper part of your body, because it's instinctive, but now try and get those legs even lower to the ground. That's it, so send them forward. Can you feel like it's even more in those quads? Oh yeah, it is shaking, that's what we want to feel. Breathe, okay, we got this. 3, 2, 1, and release. Okay, flip on over. Flip on over. We're going to take it back into those fire hydrants. Oh, Irina's decided to join us.
Yeah.
We're hanging out.
What are you doing?
She's come back to the group. Okay, we're going to take it out on that right side in 3, 2, 1. So knee out and then diagonal kick. So if those of you do not know where we're from, because we've got a whole bunch of accents going on, I'm from England. Megan, you can tell people where you're from. I don't know if they'll believe you, but you can give it a go.
Thank you. I'm from Scotland, originally. I like to add that word, originally, because I do not sound it.
Yeah, but you have only lived in America for not even
3 years.
3 years, and I don't even know what her accent is. So she's just like, she's Megan from the world. She's from the world. Okay, lift up and release down. Oh my goodness, my glutes are on fire. Okay, we're gonna take it over to the other side. So give your tail a little bit of a shake. Okay, 3, 2, 1, let's go. So Irina, tell us, where are you from?
Well, I'm originally from Russia.
Woo.
I don't know if you can hear that or not. People keep telling me that I sound like Brazil.
Do you?
Maybe I look like that too.
Well, that's what happened to me. So now I get that I'm Australian because it's a mixture between British and America. So I think you've got now a mixture of Russian and American, and now you sound Brazilian.
Yes.
Yeah, there you go.
What you get when you mix those.
Yeah, that's exactly what happens. Let's go for 3, 2, and 1. Oh my goodness. Okay, we're gonna stand all the way up. We're gonna do a single leg deadlift, okay? So we're gonna have both of those weights in our hand. What we're gonna do is we're just gonna tuck that left leg behind, come down, and then all the way up to the top. So we're not gonna take that leg off the ground, but all of that weight wants to be in that front heel. So if you came down to the ground, you could easily lift that leg up and you would still feel it. So push into that heel and then tuck those hips under all the way till you get to the top. I have to say, working on hamstrings is like one of my favorites.
Yeah?
Yeah, I don't know if I like the burn, like, because every body part has a different burn.
It does.
Yeah?
The level of burn.
A different level. I feel like I like the burn from the hamstrings. Okay, give me one more and squeeze. Okay, we're gonna take it over to the other side. Oh, all right, deep breath, everybody, deep breath. We got this.
We can do this.
Okay, tuck those hips underneath. Let's put that leg down just as a little pivot, and we're gonna push that booty back in 3, 2, 1, let's go. So push the booty back and then squeeze all the way as you get to the top. Here we go, that's it, nice and slow and controlled, always pushing that booty back. And then Arena, what kind of workouts have you got for us on the Burn app?
I have a lot of workouts that will make you to bring your bands, your weights. It's mostly strength and resistance workouts.
She's gonna get you strong, everybody.
Yeah,
She's gonna get you fired up.
Grow those muscles, and yeah, I just don't like moving my body too fast. That's why I'm not into cardio.
Perfect, this way on the cardio. Weights down to the ground. We're gonna do the last exercise of round 3. It's running man or running woman. The girls have no idea what I'm talking about, but we're gonna come down here and we're just gonna run. We're just gonna be like a running man. That's it. It's kind of like a bicycle, but you can like go over to one side. You can change it to like work your obliques more. And then you can actually add in your arms too. So you're like running. This is just fun. It's just fun. You're like, oh, and then if you've got any tension in your neck, you can release your head down to the ground and you can still like run. Take it over to your left side, over to your right. Oh yeah, feels good. Let's keep going for 3, 2, 1, and release. We're gonna come all the way up to standing. Guess what? We're gonna do that round one more time. So grab those weights, maybe take some heavier weights than you had before.
Yes, go for it.
Always increasing those weights, right?
Always.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, let's go. Down we go, and then tuck that booty underneath. Do you have a favorite body part you like to work, Megan?
Ooh, I feel like it is glutes, but I love a bit of abs. I really do.
Yeah, yeah, it's the burn in those glutes and the hamstrings that I love. What about you, Arena?
I really love doing glutes as well, and shoulders. And shoulders are...
Wow, shoulders, okay. I'll take that.
Definition that's comes with it, but it's not really easy to make them grow and fill them.
It's consistency. Okay, we're gonna take it over to the other side. Just one more minute of exercise left.
Oh,
I feel it's hot. It is hot here. I feel like we're doing like not hot yoga, it's like hot the burn. Okay, so tuck that other foot underneath, lift that chest up nice and high, and 3, 2, 1, let's go. Stick that booty back and then squeeze all the way underneath. That's it, get that full range of motion. Oh, at least the dogs were in for a couple of minutes. They were a second or two. They gave up. Don't be an Alfie or a Penny.
Well, they did a challenge, the upper body challenge.
Yeah, they did, yes. I think
Yeah, they were involved.
they were involved in the upper body challenge. Okay, keep going. 10 seconds left here. Keep pushing yourself. Breathe through it for 3, 2, 1, and release all the way down to the ground. Okay, final part.
yes.
Our last running woman.
Let's run.
Running, who are you gonna run like?
Forrest Gump.
Forrest Gump. I'm gonna do Usain Bolt.
That's a better one.
Arena, who are you gonna run like? Yes! I love it! Alfie, come here! In you get, we're running! He's like, what are you doing? You guys look crazy. That's it. Now maybe take it over to the left side. I wish I could see, you guys could see Alfie's face right now. Take it over to the right side. Oh, that's it. Go even faster. Maybe extend your legs lower down to the ground and keep breathing through it. So when you stand up, you're not dizzy. We've got to get that oxygen to the muscle for 3, 2, 1, and release. Oh my goodness. Well, you guys are already on your mat. You're already working out. So why don't check out the Burn app. You're going to get 7 days free trial. We're going to be there to support you every single step of the way. Here's another video to keep you guys on the move, and we will see you next time. Bye.
Bye.
You can add in both at the same time. Really make sure that you're tucking your hips underneath, that there is no gap between your back and the floor. This is so important.